Okay, everybody. Today is Thursday, November 20th. Good morning, everybody. This is welcome to the live trading room in the House of Destruction here. Here are yesterday's charts. Did end up taking a third trade yesterday, ended up with three trades for plus 75 yesterday. Weekly total is already past 2,500, which is what I try to go for each week, 2,500 a week. And we're already well past that. And we've got 2 more days of trading left. So having a really spectacular week in the middle of several other really amazing weeks that we've been having. So like that. Anyway, let me get out my drawing tools here. We had this huge swing high yesterday that just would not end. And we did get into that trade on that first turnaround there. Had to hold it for about 37 minutes before we became profitable somewhere down here, but we did. We did get profitable, and it was a good trade. Rest of the day, there were some tradable moments, certainly in the rest of the day, some sell-offs and some other swing highs here and here. And then the end of the day, we had another nice swing high before we had the final sell-off in the afternoon. So that was yesterday's chart. And Q closed at 599.32, and we do have a gap play this morning. So let's make the gap fill and trigger 594.58. So 594.58. I'll write that down. Let's move forward. Way up there. Hit a high at 612.91. Remember, it was at about 94 just a couple of days ago. So we've been rising out of that nicely. Let's go over to the option chain. And again, we've got a lot of pre-market volume. We're up to 3,410,000 already in pre-market. We've got to get all that figured into the strikes before we choose our strikes because they're way out of balance right now. So we will do that when we get in. And with that, Keith saw me coming and he unmuted his mic. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I did a third trade yesterday afternoon, got 50 cents on that. So I was up $1.12 for the day on three trades. So just phenomenal trading recently. Okay, take a breath here. Tons of announcements this morning that came out at 8:30, just like the spigot open. We had average hourly earnings came out slightly less than expected. The year-to-date one came up a little more than expected. Average weekly hours came out as expected. Continuing jobless claims came out a little bit more than last month, but not by much. Initial jobless claims down from anticipated. The 4-week average was down from last report. The labor force participation rate was just about as the previous one. Non-farm payrolls were up significantly more than anticipated by quite a bit. The Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Survey was up more than anticipated. Unemployment rate was down just a tad from last report, and unemployment rate was slightly up from the last report. We will have existing home sales numbers coming out at 10 o'clock, so we could get a pop. We have a Fed member speaking at 10:15, another one speaking at 11, and another one at 1:40 today.
Wow.
Strange times. We will have a 4-week and 10-week bond auctions, one at 11:30 and one at 1 o'clock today. And Kansas Fed manufacturing report coming out at 11. And sorry, here's the opening here.
Is that everything, Keith?
That's everything.
Oh my gosh. Take a breath, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for that report, that huge report. They finally released some things. So good deal. Well, we are in now. And let me get my
And Tim, I think the fill the gap number is 606.16.
606.16.
Yes.
Okay. 606.16. Okay. It is marked. Let it be. And let me add 100,000 line here. Let's turn that on. Let's go. Okay, there's our 100,000 line. Price went up. It's coming down a little bit, pointing toward VWAP. All right, so on the strikes, I'll probably start at the 609 on the call side and the 614 on the put side. Things are a bit expensive. Those will come down fairly quickly throughout the morning. Not super quickly, but they will come down. We are pushing through VWAP, selling off here.
Your charts are different than mine again this morning, Tim. You're behind, I think.
Mine haven't moved here in a little.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's going up now. I've got two more candles in there from what you have.
Oh, what is going on here? Mine are just stopped.
Yeah, you may have to restart your Thinkorswim
Yeah,
platform
I think so. Okay.
because it's trying to get down below VWAP now.
Okay. I'm going to have to restart here, folks.
And I'm looking at the 613 on the put, but again, I don't really like getting in the first 5 minutes.
Okay. Let's restart this.
It's bouncing back above VWAP again.
Sorry about this, folks.
We've got the 1 minute MACD is in the put bias position, heading down towards that minus 0.5 range. We have the 5 minute MACD in the put bias position coming down to the plus 5 minute, but heading down. Moved it down below VWAP now.
Right. Charts are coming back up. Okay. See if I'm.
You're still behind by a minute or two.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, because I've got a green candle now going back above VWAP.
All right. Can we switch over to your.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's going green back above VWAP there.
Okay. I see it.
We've got. Oops, I forgot to open mine.
Get rid of that.
And I'm going to put a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5 minute candle, which we're passing by right now. Maybe getting a demand zone in there, but see where that is. These other zones, the demand zone and the intermediate zone, are just placeholders for me now. I can just drag them into place. All right, getting ready to cross over in the 1 minute MACD. Again, the horizontal lines on here on the, actually, let me make that a little bit bigger here. These horizontal lines on the MACD are the +5 and the -5 lines to give me a visual quick look at those.
Okay.
5 minute MACD coming down to the plus 0.5 mark. Coming back down towards VWAP again. Just trying to find a direction here. Back down to VWAP again.
Boy, I am a good minute behind here. Okay.
I know you're further from New York than I am, but you typically were just right on.
Yeah.
Got close to a doji on that last Heikenase candle, and the 1 minute MACD is trying to cross over, going back up. So I will likely look at probably the 609 on the call side, probably the 609 on the call. Let's see what the
Try restarting mine again here. Appreciate you taking over the call
Yep.
here while I
Yep.
work on this.
Yep.
Obviously, I'm not going to be doing any trading while mine is behind.
I'm going to change to the 610 on the call side. Just looking at it now. I'm going to try to get in on this here. In for 368. That's not the direction we want it to go. Get back up there.
Are you on minute 938 right now?
Yes, just about 939 right now.
Okay. All right. Mine's closer. About 10 seconds behind. And you got into that call trade at the 910?
Yes,
I mean,
at the 610.
okay. And it's currently coming down. Okay.
Come on, get back up there.
Yeah. Got the Dow is up 585, NASDAQ up 471, S&P up 108. This is just a temporary reversal.
There we go.
There you go. I head over to the 610 on the call side.
Come on, keep going up.
Okay.
Oh, we can put a demand zone in here too. Let me drag that into place here. Come on, get back up there. Getting a lot of wicks on both sides on that Iconocci candles.
Yeah. No, go up, go up.
It is heading up.
There we go.
Come on, get back up there. Get back up there. Let me get out of this. Out at 307. Cooey.
Come back up. Come back up. Heading through the demand zone. Nope.
Yeah, got kicked back. Trying to get back up there. I'll probably look at the 609 on the call. Yeah, let's try that.
I'm still in this call trade.
Pass me by on that one. Pooey.
All right. Stand by. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here.
Yeah,
All right. 364 to 387 on that call trade.
I'm going back to the 610. Hmm.
Big reversal. I think I've got to upgrade my operating system. Just check that, and it is out of date. I hate doing that because there's always a bunch of stuff incompatible with the next version. You didn't get into that call, right?
No, I did not.
Okay.
Looking at the 613, probably on the put side. This comes down. Get down below VWAP. Hmm. I'm going to try to see if it gets below VWAP here. Nope, don't want to get below VWAP and stay there.
You doing the 613 or 14?
13.
13. All right. 613 on the put side, just standing by.
Keith, what price are you showing for that? What's the bid?
Bid is about, and I just jumped up. It's about 346, 349.
Okay, because I'm on E-Trade and mine's all delayed too.
Huh.
Because mine's showing 339.
That's down. It's down below 330 now.
Yeah, mine, it's all delayed as well.
Huh.
But I'm on E-Trade, so I don't know.
Yeah. That's odd.
Jumping back up again. Hmm.
All right. I'm going to head back over to the call side, to the 610 on the call side.
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and jump into the 610.
Same here. 401.
And it's passed me by. We'll try again here. There we go. Got in finally.
I'm surprised the price hasn't shot up more than it has, though.
I know. I know.
At the 5-minute MACD trying to cross over, going back up.
Got painters in today. Downstairs, starting to do some actual work.
So there to put the drywall up.
They're doing it on the main floor.
Okay.
Drywall folks are supposed to come in on the lower level and start doing their thing. But we finally got the heater controversy figured out. Come on, back up. Get back up there.
Come on, man. Just not continuing this morning. This is frustrating. Just not continuing here today.
Yeah, well, continuing down. Come on, turn around. But our broader indices are up, way up.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt again, but can you guys tell me what the current price is?
It is 388.
I mean, like, is it 611? Mine's trying to catch up.
Oh,
The price of QQQ.
it is 611, 612, 15.
Okay. Yeah, I'm still running behind. Yeah, but it's getting better, I think. It said 5.99 for the first 15 minutes of trading.
Oh, really? Okay, come on up. Come on up. Come on.
Come on, get on up there.
Another day of great volume. We've already got 12,540,000 traded on the underlying. It's probably more than that. Dow is up by 15, Nas up by 523, S&P up by 115.
Five-minute MACD's trying to cross back over, getting up.
Mm-hmm. Just stuck in a little bit of consolidation right now.
Got just about 5 minutes to the pop at the top.
Okay.
Come on, get on up there. I got an order to try to close out for 30 cents
Okay. What'd you get in on?
at 401.
401. Okay. I'm in at 404.
There we go. Got 35 cents. 436 I got out.
All right. And I'm still in, waiting for it to pop up.
There you go.
There we go. Wow. All right. Got 30 cents on that. There it goes. Of course.
Oh, yeah. That's all right. We're just about 3 minutes away from the pop. Just soon be out of that before the pop.
Yeah.
Normally, I would have stayed in that longer if it hadn't been for the pop coming up.
All right. About 5 to 6 seconds behind now.
Oh, okay. I was just going to ask how you're doing there.
Yeah.
Did have the 5 minute crossover going up. The 1 minute MACD's up above 0.5, almost 0.7.
Mm-hmm. Getting a pretty good turnaround here.
We do have a supply and a demand zone in there, but they're way back there. Nothing new to move yet.
Coming up on a minute and a half till the pop. I may be right on now.
Oh, okay. Maybe just a second behind, but not much. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't. Are you? So you're sharing?
Oh, I am?
I think so. Yeah, I'm looking at your screen.
Oh,
I think. Yeah, I'm looking at your screen. So I just stopped sharing.
okay.
All right. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop. And jump up some more.
All right. I'm going to keep an eye on the 611 on the call side. 611 strike call.
Boy, it's so darn high. But
Yeah, we are a bit high on the 1 minute MACD. Would like to see that reset.
See what the reports came out. It's Friday. Existing home sales were just up a little bit from anticipated, and the change was a little bit less up than last month, but still positive. And just remember, we have one of the Fed members speaking in 14 minutes, another one in an hour at 11:15. Got a bunch of Fed members speaking tomorrow morning.
Mm-hmm.
I think given some of the reports that came out this morning, they'll be chatting about that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Get one at 7:30, one at 8:30, one at 8:45, one at 9 tomorrow.
Wow.
For those not tracking, NVIDIA's projected revenues for the next quarter were much higher than the market was expecting. So that really pulled the market up
Yeah.
overnight and then this morning.
Let's see if we get our cross and reset here. 1 minute MACD is about to cross, coming down a little bit. Dow's up 662, Nas up 543, S&P's up 120. Wow.
You're right. 1 minute's trying to cross, coming down the MACD. I'll be watching the 615 on the put side here.
Okay.
I'd like to see a little more confirmation on the 5 minute MACD before I get into a put here.
Yeah.
Still can't move the supply zone up.
Mm-mm.
That's another one. I'd like to see the new supply zone up before I get into a put.
Boy, a lot of volume this morning. We're up to 15,717,000 traded on the underlying. So good volume. We're just on a slow rise here, which I think is going to continue with these occasional pullbacks.
You're still running about 10 seconds behind, Tim.
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay.
At least by the time your Zoom screen gets to me.
Huh.
Trying to pull back strong now.
Ooh,
Yeah, you're 10 seconds behind.
huh.
All right, 1 minute's crossed over, 5 minutes getting ready to cross over. Let me see what the next candle, make sure it's not a crazy eye event. Now I'm going to try to get in on the 615 here
Are you? Okay.
and in at 387. Didn't get a real favorable fill there.
You did not get a favorable
No,
fill?
no.
Um, yeah, I'm just a little concerned about how high the broader indices are. This put seems to have some legs on it.
I've got an order in down close to the demand zone.
Okay.
Close this out and just filled.
All right.
387 to 450.
No kidding. Nice.
I'm back positive for the day. Boy. I think we can go ahead and move that supply zone up.
Yeah. There we go. I'm going to turn this one gray.
Now at the demand zone, the 1 minute MACD is definitely in the put buys direction down at minus 0.5 now. 1 minute MACD's crossed over coming down, but still in the high range there.
Trying to push through the demand zone. Getting a bit of a reversal going now.
I've got 3 trades this morning, 2 positive, 1 negative, up 37 cents for the morning so far.
Yeah, I've got 2 trades up nearly 70 cents.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that one was a minus 61 cents for me.
Ouch. But that's all it was.
Yeah.
Well, this is certainly a big reversal turnaround. Frankly, I didn't believe it was going to go this far.
Haven't had a lot of agreement between the 1 minute and the 5 minute this morning,
No,
at least in the range that it's in.
that's true.
The last week, we've had a number of pretty good agreements between those two. I think that's when you get a lot of movement to going continuation is if you do get agreement between the two.
Yes. Yes, absolutely. Let me see. Guys, I'm going to keep an eye on the 609 on the call side. Need to see more. Need to see this move past VWAP and some.
Again, I'd like to see that 5 minute at least flatten out before I would get into a call here at this time.
Mm-hmm.
Just to track of where we are for the week, I'm up $3.17 for the week so far.
All right. Does that include today?
Yes.
Yeah. I think I'm up, let me see, 71, up 354 this week so
I
far.
was thinking I was more than that. Let me try this again. Yeah, sorry, 354.
There you go.
That makes more sense. 354 for the week so far.
So we are tied. Just stuck between these zones right now. Hey, I'll be right back. Okay, see, we got price going down. Got 18,494,000 traded on the underlying. Good volume. Dow is still up 572, Nas up 457, S&P up 104. They've come down a little bit off their highs, not a lot.
I'm tempted on this put here, 609. Oh no, wait. Sorry. 613.
613, yeah.
Got a lot of wicks on the bottom side on the Heiken Aussie, though.
Yeah.
I think I'll pass.
Yeah, I'm just seeing a lot of latent pressure up on here.
You mean pressure like that?
Like that, yes. Just like that.
I try to do the 609 on the call.
Yeah, 609 on the call, stand by. Let's go ahead and get into this.
Pass me by.
Pass me by too.
Get in at, where is it? 430.
Trying to get in. There we go. Got in at 435. Oh, come on.
That wasn't me.
That was me. It took a second bite out of it. Yeah, it was one I canceled. That was weird. So I'm in twice. That was really odd. It was one I canceled and it ended up filling it anyway. So still having issues with that.
Come on, get on up there. Come on, keep going up. That's not up.
Come on. Come on, get up there.
No hurry, but we can move that demand zone down just a tad.
Yeah, we can, can't we? Oops. All right, I'm going to take profit on my first one here. Nice. 402 to 458.
See if I can get some profit. It's going to bump up a little bit more. Got a close order well below the supply zone.
Mm-hmm. Come on, get up there.
Come on, you can do it. At the 5-minute MACD's trying to cross going up.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, get on up there.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and take profit here at 466. So 435 to 466 and 402 to 458. So that's 80 plus 70.
Come on, get on up there.
Dow's up 673, Nas up 522, S&P up 118. With 20,481,000 traded, and got that in our first hour, which is 2 minutes away, minute and a half away.
Come on, get on up there.
There you go.
It should fill.
Any second now. Doji.
There we go.
Good.
430 to 485.
All right. And it is, we are 1 hour in. We've got 20,821,000 already traded. Dow's up 693, Nas is up 543, S&P is up 121, and I'm up 152.
My update here in a second. I'm up 92. So they had that one loss.
Yeah.
That's all right. I'm not going to complain about 92.
No, not at all.
Not too much.
Just enough. Everything back centered here. Our 5-minute MACD has crossed over to the call bias side. Our 1 minute has been in the call bias side for some time now and is right up on the edge of kind of the warning track here at plus 0.56. Be a good time for it to bounce off the supply zone.
Something's right here. 16.
We have price breaking through the supply zone here. We're trying to.
Yeah, that's right.
Getting a big reversal off the supply zone. Let's see. So our high was 613.79. Getting some sell-off going now off of this swing high that we just finished up on a couple of nice trades.
Loretta, did your platform get caught up?
No, it's still running a couple minutes behind. I've just been trading off of what you guys are saying.
Okay.
Blindly without looking. I just close my eyes and push a button.
Oh, you mean like we do it?
Yeah, I learned from the best.
And across that supply zone. I'd be glad to, Tim. I'm trying to turn around there. 1 minute MACD's flattened out, trying to turn down also. What would that be? And almost a doji on that last 1 minute candle. You see on the last Heikenase candle also. Hey, Tim, are you talking?
Sorry, I was unmiked. I mean, I was muted. No, just been agreeing with you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
So falling back below the supply zone.
So Melissa being a good taskmaster, keeping these contractors in line.
Oh my gosh, you have no idea. Her and her lists and spreadsheets, and yeah, she was keeping them all in line. So
Just a reminder for next week, markets are closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving and close early on Friday for Good Friday. Not Good Friday, for Black Friday.
Black Friday. Yeah.
A lot of times it's lower volume trading on Friday also, as well as somewhat on Wednesday.
Yeah. But we're not closing early on Thursday. I mean, Wednesday.
I don't think so.
Okay.
I'll double check here, but I don't think so. Where's my? There it is. No, it's just Friday. It closes early at 1 o'clock.
Okay.
I probably won't trade anymore this morning. I'll be satisfied with my 92 cents this morning.
Yeah.
Up 409 for the week.
Nice. We have had just an amazing period of trading here these last few weeks with all the volume that we've had, really moving the markets nicely. And I think one of the biggest things is just really adhering to what we're seeing on the MACDs, as well as holding on and getting more profit out of these trades.
Absolutely.
So Q just staying in a fairly tight range right now, not really breaking out. Price moved below the supply zone. Got our 1 minute MACD was curving back around for a cross and bounced off of the control line, heading down. And 5 minute MACD is pointing down, hasn't crossed yet, but It's pointing down in that direction. See if we get some continuation, but looks like it's bouncing back up. It being price. Dow is up 675 now. Nas up 547. S&P's up 121. Very positive markets. On 24,377,000 traded on the underlying. Volume is slowing down a bit. We do have a few minutes below 100,000.
My monthly numbers, I'm up $12.42 for the month so far.
It's great. That is fantastic. Hey, I'll be right back, guys.
Down at VWAP now again. And 5-minute cross back over going down. We can move the supply zone up too.
Okay. Wow. Price is really coming down.
Yeah, I moved the supply zone up just a little bit too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, struggling around VWAP again. I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
Alrighty. Price continuing to come down. Great price movement today. Obviously, there was a good put trade to get into on this. I don't know if anybody did. I'm happy with what I have. I don't want to give anything back. Let's get SPY up there. Let's get you back up there. Get you up there.
Looks pretty bright to me.
Oh, price slipping down further, getting toward the demand zone. Looks like it may pop through the demand zone. Already down to minus 0.8 on the 1 minute MACD. If you do get into a put trade, be very careful. You can turn around, especially right at the demand zone, as it has a habit of reversing when it gets near a zone.
5 minute MACD's down around mid range. It's been really high all morning until recently.
Mm-hmm. They're on the counter. Okay. 3 of them are. No, it hasn't been ordered yet. Wow, price is continuing to drop. trying to reverse here a bit. Big reversal back up. Didn't quite reach the last low or last couple of lows. A little crazy Ivan going on here.
Yeah, it took your comment as an offense. It says, okay, I'll get down there a little bit, then we'll go back up.
I think you're right. Uh, I guess I did offend it.
Uh-huh. Challenged its manhood.
Yeah. Yep, breaking through the last low. And there's one other low a little earlier, but it's heading down. Big sell-off going on right now. All right, guys, it is 11 o'clock. We're at the top of the hour. We're going to go ahead and wrap it up for this morning. Another terrific day. Really good trades today. We've got really good price movement again today. That's it. Keith, any parting words?
Nope. It was another good day and one bad trade, but still up 92 cents for the day. So great day.
There you go. And that's, the result of controlling the loss.
Yep.
So far away that you can't recover. So great job on that. Okay, guys, that's it. We will see you all tomorrow morning for Friday, and we will wrap up the week tomorrow.
Yep. Have a great day, everybody.
All right. Bye-bye for now.